Exciting news! Today's video is absolutely free. It's part of our comprehensive AI for Business course.
You heard it, the full course is available at aimarketingengineers.com. It includes over 35 lessons on AI for business.
Don't miss out. Check the link in the description to learn more about the full course.
Click that link and take your first step in mastering AI for business. It's time to accelerate your business with AI.
Welcome everyone. We are excited to introduce each other and highlight what makes our course so valuable. Let me introduce my colleague, Dmitrii Mergus. With over 20 years of experience in digital marketing, Dmitrii is a performance marketing professional and a true veteran in the field. Dmitrii's expertise in search engine marketing and demand generation using Google Ads, coupled with his analytical mindset and passion for technology, sets him apart. He has successfully managed marketing for businesses of varying sizes, from startups to multi-million-dollar budgets. He has achieved remarkable results through data analysis, optimization, and passion for marketing and innovation. As your instructor, Dmitrii brings practical insights and real-world experience to the table. His guidance will empower you to navigate the challenges and opportunities of AI-driven marketing to unlock your business's full potential.
Thank you, Dinesh. It's a pleasure to work with you in this course. Now, let me tell you about Dinesh. He is a VP of Analytics and Paid Marketing. With over 15 years of experience, Dinesh excels at driving successful marketing campaigns and utilizing cutting-edge technology. He uses data to optimize campaigns, leveraging Google's AI capabilities, and has expertise in technologies like deep learning and deep reinforced learning. With a strong educational foundation in business and computer science, Dinesh bridges the gap between data-driven insights and marketing strategy. Beyond being an instructor, Dinesh serves as analytical mentor and contributes to the Marketing Advisory Board at Seattle University. Dinesh's passion, expertise, and dedication makes him the ideal guide for your AI-driven marketing journey.
Together, we have industry knowledge and expertise to guide you in your AI marketing journey.
We are super excited to share our amazing course that is designed to help entrepreneurs like you grow using artificial intelligence tools. So let's get started.